welcome to Houdini Vellum Simulation Workshop. In these chapters, I will take image character asset and make it dynamic with realistic growth simulation. My name is Salah Hussein, a senior FX and CFX artist with over than 8 years of experience in production. Throughout my career, I worked with MPC, Jellyfish, Axis, Audio Effects, Motion Pictures, and Toll, and more. In this workshop, I will show you step by step how to do a complex multi-layer simulation with a production experience in Houdini and Vellum Solver.